Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you this tutorial on how to make your stitch braid to look natural from the beginning. So what you need to do before you start, make sure that you cut a little portion of your hair into 3 different sections and braid it 2 or 3 times. The reason why you braid it 2 or 3 times is for it to be very firm before you start cutting your stitch braid to add to it. So while cutting your stitch braid to add to it, don't add extension immediately due to you will not want the front of the hair to be bulky, looking big. You want it to look so slim. That is why you don't add the extension immediately. You add the extension after braiding 2 or 3 times. So while braiding this hair, as you can see, is looking slim from the beginning and looking neat already while adding the extension. I will advise, if you are braiding a hair that is kind of light, because there are some clients hair that can look very light, I will advise after braiding the first 2 times, you can go ahead to add just a little extension to give it that firmness. Not like this particular client's hair that is thick. There are people that have very thick hair. So while braiding a thick hair, you don't need to add that extension immediately. That is what I think I should explain better. And while adding this extension, before cutting your stitch, make sure that you cut the stitch little by little, bit by bit, so that if you are stitching, it's not going to be too bulky. The reason why you cut it bit by bit is because to enable you to stitch properly and it will come out neat, and not just neat, it will make it to last and it will make the lines to come out perfectly well. If you can see, one thing about this stitch braid is how neat the line is, that will give you the perfect look. As you can see, the line is neat, and while cutting the stitches bit by bit, it will also give you that neat line that you are seeing right on the screen. One thing you have to consider while making this stitch braid is that it's time consuming. You don't have to rush. Some of us do not want to spend much time trying to make hair. One thing about stitch braid is that stitch braid is time consuming, just like someone that is ventilating a closure. You know, all this ventilating of a closure, you have to pick one strand of hair in the net. So one thing about stitch braid is that you have to cut your hair bit by bit to stitch it to give it that perfect look. It's not something you have to do in a hurry. So I would advise, be patient, take your time to get that desired result. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me grow. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share this video to your colleague that is learning how to braid.